This waterfall teaches me a new way of being. It's been an emotional education, meaning I feel my way through it. And that way it lodges deeper within my own learning system and makes a passage for self-responsibility. This waterfall has been an initiation for me, like a challenge to confront my fear and dissolve it. And now I've learnt and taking it into my everyday life. The beautiful waterfall. I've just tried getting in there. Obviously I got in, but she's very deep. Deep, and I couldn't quite touch the bottom, so tomorrow is another day. Okay, so new hairdo for this waterfall. I've actually noticed I've got a few more greys coming along, so I kind of hope I'm just going to go, well, I'm not even going to go grey, I think I'm just going to go white. So maybe you'll just see me and I'll have white hair one day. But yes, I came here yesterday, or depending on this film, I came here a minute ago. And this time I want to take you with me inside the waterfall because I couldn't feel the other side, and I couldn't feel how deep it was on the other side, and I'm wondering whether you can have a look for me, and then I could have a recce and then go in a third time and see how I feel. So there we go, that's it. And I think she's really beautiful because she's shaped like a heart the way the water falls, and like with nature, she always gives with one and takes with another, so she very much is a challenge, that's for sure. But nevertheless, I still feel welcomed. So I know that many people take ice baths for the length of time and that's their challenge, or going to their boundaries, if you like. Well, maybe this is my boundary here. So let's just see how far I get today, and tomorrow's another day. absolutely love it. Woo! I just love it because it's just shaped like a heart. Don't know if you can see it, but I can see it anyway. But I've just been sat here just listening to her and just looking around and just really absorbing the energy from what I've just experienced. Now in the summertime I really love the different relationship I have with the waterfalls, because it means, because it's a little warmer, I can go a little closer and really feel the energy and the power. In the wintertime I'm just very happy to look to the calmer spots of the waterfall as it's very cold as she flows through, and I'm just content with sitting there and belonging and being a part of it. So yeah, winter and summer, it really does give me a different experience, and I love watching her unfold and my relationship with the waterfall every year that goes on with me experiencing every season. A little bit of waterfall wisdom for you guys is to be yourself. This waterfall is super powerful. She will remain direct and in her power regardless if I go in or not. Now, with all the women out there who are direct, like I can be, do not be afraid, even though it's misinterpreted by some people. And I hope that the balance in the feminine and masculine energy will happen on the collective, that women can be direct without being called aggressive, because or to tone down their personality. What? Now, in a place where people don't mean what they say and people don't say what they mean, and dense energy, like very much cloak and dagger, I am pretty glad I'm direct, just like the energy and the flow from this waterfall. I'm Capricorn, I'm also a projector in life. Now if this upsets you, then maybe that says more about you than about me, because mine has come from a place of love, from a place of experience and a place of fairness. Normally I don't explain myself because I've stopped, because if people don't see it on their level of perception and on my level, then it's okay. I will continue to let nature be my teacher, and I will carry on sharing what I know in a way that I know, and I will always be working on myself to be more diplomatic, but not in a place where I'm going to be a people pleaser, because I've been a people pleaser, and where did that end up? With the ultimate betrayal. So I'm just going to be myself. go with the flow and see where it takes you, because it might take you just further than you having all this protectiveness over you and worrying what other people think.